Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're analyzing a simply supported beam carrying a single concentrated load, applied right at midspan, the classic point load problem, and the foundation of half the beam tables you'll ever use. Here's our beam. It rests on a pin support at end A, and a roller support at end B, spanning a length L. A single concentrated load P acts downward at the exact center of the span. Unlike a distributed load, all of the force arrives at one point, and that changes the character of every diagram that follows. Let's find the support reactions. By symmetry, each support carries exactly half the load, so Ra equals Rb equals P over 2. We can confirm it by taking moment about A, Rb times L equals P times L over 2, giving Rb equals P over 2, and vertical equilibrium hands the same to Ra. Now the shear force diagram. Between support A and the load, every cut sees the same forces, so the shear is constant, at positive P over 2. At midspan, the load drops the diagram vertically, by the full value of P, down to negative P over 2, and it stays there all the way to B. Two flat plateaus and one sharp cliff, that is the signature of a point load. The bending moment diagram. With constant shear, the moment grows in a straight line, from 0 at A up to its maximum at midspan, Mmax equals PL over 4, directly under the load. Then it falls in a straight line back to 0 at B. No curves this time, a point load bends the diagram into a clean triangle, with its peak right where the load stands. Finally, the deflection. The beam sags into a symmetric curve, with the maximum right at midspan PL cubed, over 48 EI. Remember that 48, it anchors one of the most quoted formulas in structural engineering. Let's recap. For a simply supported beam with a central point load, the reactions are each P over 2. The shear is constant at plus and minus P over 2, jumping by P at the load. The maximum bending moment is PL over 4, at midspan. And the maximum deflection is PL cubed over 48 EI, also at midspan. Thanks for watching. Before you go, follow RHC Engineering and RHCES on YouTube and Facebook, and find more resources on our websites, shown here on screen. See you in the next video.